G'day, I'm Adrian from Using Technology Better. One of the great things about my Surface is that it's a laptop, but it is also a tablet. So I can create a Word document that get my students to utilise the power of digital ink inside Microsoft Word to answer questions. So let's see how we can do that. So what I'm going to do is start off in my laptop mode and create a document here. And in that document I'm going to have some images, and I'm going to ask the question about what's going to happen next and ask my students to come in here and to circle the areas that highlight where there's going to be some tension. So I'm going to get them to use digital ink for that. But underneath this, I'd like them to handwrite or jot down some ideas or brainstorm some ideas about what's going to happen straight after this photo. So I want them to use digital ink. So I can open up this drawing canvas, insert my canvas. I'll just shrink it down a bit to make sure it fits on the page. There we go. Drag it out a little bit, and now I've got a spot on my page where the students can ink. But if I click away from that, the box tends to disappear. So the good way I can fix this is to kind of click on it, click on the bottom corner, up comes the formatting tabs in here. I can formatting my drawing canvas. I'm just going to put a line around the outside of it. I can change how thick that line is and all those colours and things like that. I might make it up to, say, I don't know, 1 point so it's a bit clearer to see. And now I've got an area on my document where when students go to it, they can see that they can write straight onto the document. So now I have a type sheet that I created in laptop mode that my students can use. So now let's flick this over into my tablet mode. So now that we're in tablet mode, let's answer this task as if we're a student. So reading the question, I've got to circle the areas that are going to create tension. So let's grab my pen, let me come down here, and I reckon we're going to get a bit of tension with the guy in the parachute, and then maybe the pilot. And let's scroll down to the page to see what the next bit is. And now it's asking me to write down some 3 ideas about what's going to happen straight after this photo. So once again, I just click on my pencil, on my pen. With digital inking, I'm now just writing on my screen. I reckon they're going to crash, maybe they'll cry, and then probably the last thing is they might have some massive panic happening. So now I've got a document that has been created in laptop mode that I can fill out inside my tablet mode, all on one device, all on my Surface, combining the digital ink and Microsoft Word. How good is that?